to North Beach, Maryland, Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River, Eastern Bay, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:53 p.m., a strong thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over North Beach, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard. P4 knots for source. Radar indicated. Weather, small craft could be blown overboard by waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Parsons Island, Choptank River, Eastern Bay, Blackona Point, Miles River, Herring Bay, Roman Cove, Bloody Point Light, Poplar Island, North Beach, Tillman Island, Shady Side, Chesapeake Beach, and Deal. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.